Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, classmate. This is my article. Isolation and identification of bacteria in gastrointestinal of ill ingual bicolor that has potential as probiotic. Next. Introduction ill has a high economic value and global demand is increasing. One species that has high economic value is ingual bicolor. Eel is also used as an export to meet export needs to Japan as a food raw material, unlike in other countries, Japan and Europe countries. Eel fish resources have not been used in Indonesia. This can be seen from the level of utilization of eel fish is still very low, even though the number of these fish both in size and consumption size is quite abundant. One of the reasons is that this fish is not I know, so that most Indian people are not familiar with consuming eel. The use of fish for export purpose is still very limited. Next. These probiotic bacteria also provide benefits for the health of living boundaries by increasing growth, milk and egg production and the system, which is very useful for the system. The concept of using microbes in aquaculture, aside from beginning a probiotic is also considered a biological control method. Biocontrol, which is not limit pathogenic microbes to grow and develop by preventing bacteria, as biological controls are very specific. This is supported by several students that promote that using local isolate bacteria for a purpose gives more effective results than product that come from abroad. Based on this, identification is needed regarding the type of probiotic bacteria candidates in the of eel as a in preventing disease infection caused by pathogenic bacteria. Ang ibig sabihin po ng biocontrol naman is the use by humans of beneficial pathogens as fungal and viruses. Yun po ang ibig sabihin ng biocontrol po. Next. Materials and methods. Identification of the types of bacteria. Identification of pure bacteria were identified according to protocol of with some modification. In brief, each bacterium was identified based on characteristic which included engram tests, observation of colony seen from the shape, color, and of bacteria. Furthermore, each isolation was characterized by biochemical analysis, which included for a fermentation of carbonates, glucose, lactose, sucrose, arabinose, mortality, and urea. Next, mortality test and production. Bacteria isolate were inserted into media, then for 24 hours at room temperature for positive mortality test marked by the spread of the around the. Furthermore, the medium was with liquid. The positive test was characteristic by the presence of a red ring on the surface of the medium. Next, carbonate fermentation test. Bacteria isolates were into test tubes containing glucose, lactose, fermentation medium, and then at room temperature for 24 hours. If the bacteria in each of these media change color to yellow, then the result positive. Next, mortality test and production. Bacteria isolate were introduced into media for 24 hours at room temperature for positive mortality test marked by the spread of the around the. Furthermore, the medium was with liquid. The positive test was characteristic by the presence of A. Next, catalysts and oxidants. To determine the presence of, it was tested using 3% hydrogen H2O2 solution in a separate colony. The 1 drop of H2O2 solution is dripped on the surface of the colony in positive. Bacteria, this is formation of gas around the colony. Test is done by applying a single colony with A on the oxidized test strip the reaction. Next, bacteria that grow on the media to be into a test tube filled with media, then room temperature for 48 hours. The next step is to add 5 drops of the red to the tube. A positive test if the tube is red, which means acid, and a negative test if the tube is yellow, and produce basis for the test by dropping the and 40% the. Tapos ang casein fat and rich test ay the isolate was on media so that each of them would be given skin milk stitch, and bacteria that can stitch are characterized by the presence of a clear zone around the colony. In the test results, the types of bacteria that can proteins is. Next, research and discussion. Based on research conducted on bacteria found in the tract intestine of eel. 8 isolates were obtained based on difference in of bacteria. Identification of each isolate was our based on biochemical tests whose results can be seen in from the results of identification found that bacteria associated with the tract of eel have similar characteristics with Bacillus CP, Bacillus subtilis, Lactobacillus, and in observing the results of tests is characteristic by the presence of clear zone around these isolates. Furthermore, fat is known by the presence of bright green in the area around the isolate. Clonins and such is characteristic by the presence of clear yellow zones around the clones of the isolates that are grown. Bacteria that can such are with isolate code 1A, 1C, 3C. Next, Bacillus subtilis is a round-shaped bacterium that is gram-positive. Bacillus subtilisum has been court research related to its role in aquaculture both as a probiotic that is the growth of pathogenic and probiotic bacteria is the process Bacillus subtilis producer, which is an antimicrobial substance in the form of proteins or protein-like compounds, is from by bacteria during its growth period and generally only inhibits the growth of bacteria strain that are related to bacteriaceae producing bacteria. The addition of Bacillus subtilis to the tilapia fish feed can improve the intestinal system and survival rate of the fish so that it can increase the body weight of Bifidobacterium CP found in a fish intestine. Simple that is simple. Ito po yung yung graph po niya. Next, conclusion based on the results of the study. There are 3 types of bacteria with the tract of eel: ingual, bicolor, and can be used as candidates for probiotics: Bacillus subtilis, Bifidobacterium, and Lactobacillus. Further screening tests and needed inhibition tests to eat the growth of pathogenic bacteria, fungi, and viruses as well as in vivo. test in order to know the benefits in the field of fisheries. Thank you po.